Hey everyone, I wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to zoom in and out on Photopea. This is super essential and it's super easy to do. So once you're in Photopea, go ahead and head to the left hand side and you see this little magnifying glass. Go ahead and click on that, or if you'd like, you can just press the Z key and it'll take you straight there. From here, to zoom in, go ahead and click anywhere you want to zoom in on and it will zoom you in. And to zoom out, go ahead and hold Option and click that same click anywhere and it will zoom you out. Now, that's not the only way to do this. If, for example, if you're on the Move tool and you, I'm like on a Mac right now, so I have a touchpad. So if I scroll in, or I pinch and zoom out, or pinch and zoom in, then that works as well. And so there's a few different options that you have in order to zoom, but one of the easiest is just clicking on this magnifying glass and zooming in. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.